I welcome you to our first series of Basics of IPR. Today, our first lecture is about difference between physical property and intellectual property. If you have knocked our doors today, believe me, you have something that is worth millions in the coming time. So let's get started on type of property. As we discussed, there are two types of property: physical property and intellectual property. Confused? Let's elaborate on it. Physical property is known by all, like your house, the car, the land you have, the gold. These all things are your physical property, and usually people spend a lot of time earning it from their hard-earned money. So, how do you usually protect such kind of properties? Imagine you have a beautiful house with a pool and a balcony, and one day an intruder comes to your house and he asks you to get out from the place because from today it is his house. So, what do you do in such circumstances? Get angry? Run around because you're scared? Or you call a cop? The first thing that you need to do is keep calm. Sip a cup of coffee because you own the legal documents which state that the property is yours, or maybe in the name of one of the family. See how simple it was to claim right on your physical property? Now let us understand about IPR, intellectual property. Do you know IP is one of the reasons why some people are richer than many of us on this earth? Intellectual property is a bit different to physical property because it includes or protects ideas, concepts, and even creativity. I know it is new to you, so let us understand it better with an example. Imagine you and your friend are surfing through the internet and you find a competition where a mega giant company has disclosed that if you provide a solution to their problem, they will pay you huge. Okay, so for better simplification, let us imagine the competition is about a design of a hat which can protect you from sunlight and even can be used in monsoon to protect from rain. Now, you, the genius in the group, will think about it, sit day and night to get a better solution so that you could earn a bit, right? So, what do you usually do when you find a solution? Human nature is to talk about it, discuss it with friends and colleagues because you need to feel content that your idea is good. Don't you do that? Now, when you disclose the idea, what is the reaction? Oh wow, what an idea. They appreciate you, make you feel good about it. And one of the friend will give you a stupid suggestion stating that, hey, you need to present the idea in a good format. So draft a better document and submit the idea, say by tomorrow. What was his suggestion? Submit it by tomorrow. Why? Because your wicked friend has a different plan. He or she decides to submit the idea before you could do it. Now you poor thing will work for the idea, create a beautiful draft and submit it and wait for the result. When the winner is disclosed, hey, your idea got selected, you're so happy about it, and then you see the result and find that you did not win it, although your idea was selected. Your friend won and you lost all the money. Your friend got all the money by cheating on you by using your idea. What can you do now? What did you actually get by working so hard? Okay, please do not look at me with those eyes. So what should you have actually done? How could you protect the idea in these circumstances? The first thing is, don't let them know. Do not share such as exclusive ideas. And in matter of protection, government has policies called intellectual property rights which helps you to secure your assets like concepts and ideas and creativity, so that nobody else can use it above you or before you. So before you blog or share or sell it or make it a product, secure it using IPR. It is truly said that idea can change your life, but when it comes to IP, it can only change your life if it is protected. So, IPR has different categorizations, like including patent, copyright and trademark, which helps you to protect such kinds of assets. But we'll be learning about them in detail in our upcoming lectures. So what are the points that we need to remember from this session? First, physical property includes land, house, car, etc., which is protected by legal documents. Similarly, government has provision to protect your intellectual property, like your concepts, innovations, creativity and design. Most important, IP has more value than physical property. Do you know IP can actually help you to earn more physical property? So till date, you are actually running behind the wrong type of property. It is only worth if you secure it before disclosing it. And IPR is protected by government agencies. No private firm can do it for you. So I hope we were quite clear about the difference between physical property and intellectual property. But if you still have any queries, you can write to us in the comment section. You can chat with us on our website www.mycrave.co.in. You can drop us a mail at info@mycrave.co.in, or you can definitely use our Facebook page to know more regarding IPR. So if you enjoyed the video, do not forget to like it. If you think it is worth sharing so that someone's asset is protected, do share. And if you want to learn more regarding IPR and to know regarding our upcoming lectures, do subscribe to our channel. So till we meet next time, beware and remember, use it before you lose it. So bye, see you next time.